All right. Let's check out AVAX. Okay, remember when I draw boxes, it either gets hit or it goes below it. Well, in this case, it did it after the time frame, so it did. So this is the first box we've seen on a chart that I missed, right? Because I drew it too early, so it would have been accurate had I done this. So my box did get missed, but it went below my box. So regardless, kind of the idea when I draw a box for bear market targets, it's either going to be hit or price is going to go below it. Like that's just the way it works. This is looking pretty bad. Whew. Okay, let's see here. I will go like this, try to extend some origin lines, and make a guess at what she wants to do. So she's already hitting that one. She's going to go even lower. Man, yikes. That's only one origin line down. Altcoins are either going to hit one origin line below its previous bottom one, which actually it technically just did that. So this was its bottom origin line. See, bottom, bottom. So I'll make that pink. I'll make that one pink. And I will undo the color of these, put it back to that color. So this was its previous bottom line, essentially, where I had my bear market target. And it's already gone down one. So this is probably going to go two below in the end. So 1, 2. Could wick even 2.5, maybe. But I think this could try. Let me see the percentage. So what percentage down? It looks like it's less than 95. That's way less than 95. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It might go 3 below. Yikes. Which even coins like Kusama have gone like 8 origin lines below its original bottom origin line. Like a well-established one over a year. I mean, Kusama just has tanked through what was its bottom. So see this pink line? Kusama went like 8 to 10 below. So, I mean, so this is 1 below, 2 below, 3 below. Does that equal 95%? That's closer. This might not get down. I don't think this is going to go down 95%, folks. This coin looks like it's going to bottom before my general rule of thumb. And again, like I said earlier, the ones that do have more cushion and padding where they're not going to go down 95%, those are your market leader coins. And market leader coins, if I could loosely define them, they are coins that were around for at least all of 2021, right? So newer coins, that are too new, I wouldn't call them as a market leader. So they've been around since before, on or before January 2021, and they specifically made a higher high when Bitcoin went up to 69K for its higher high. Because even Polkadot didn't do it, right? Neither did Cardano. Cardano didn't make a higher high with Bitcoin 69K top, right? So market leader coins made a higher high in November of 2021 when Bitcoin made a 69K top. Those are specifically the coins that have a stronger chance of not going down 95% from its wick high. And if we look at what this was what? November. So this is in that boat. It looks like it's going to go 1, 2, 3 origin lines down, and I will move this box over here. There you go. This is my target, $20 for AVAX. Roughly $20, $20 to $22. And that's how I'm getting to that conclusion. This is probably going to be an exception to the 95% rule. This is a market leader coin. It's looking pretty good, actually. And does this align with a horizontal? It does. It aligns with this horizontal right here. Look, boom. See how those intersect? So it's probably going to go to the bottom of all of this formation. Probably that wick low. It's probably going to target that wick low right there. It's probably going to hit the bottom of that box. So if I had to make an exact guess, which is not a smart thing to do, like exact time, timing the market is impossible for the most part. even though I've been successful on some occasions, but it's probably just because I make so many guesses that some of them land exactly on the right timing. But I would say around June 21st, it's going to be right at $20, right where those intersect, right there, or it's going to hit the top. But $23 to $20 around late June in the 20s. That would be my guess. Because of that wick low, see that it turns on a dime, price is going to be attracted there, and it's probably going to bounce pretty hard. And I could see that $20 plus or minus $1, $18 to $22 is probably going to be its bottom area. That would be my guess for AVAX. That's a good chart. It's honestly, that could be one that I really look into for when I think there's a close to a bottom, a coin that I want to get into earlier. That this is a very, very good candidate for something that'll scream with Bitcoin as Bitcoin recovers. Essentially a first mover. This is a good candidate for being a first mover.